So to use simplex method is also very simple. You have to install, so basically C, A and B, these are in like matrix style, and then but you have to define C, A and B first. So just like that. Yeah, you define C like that, and A, and then B, and then for CAB, for all of them together, you just write C, A, B. I'll give you the optimal value and the solution for both of them. Right, and that's it. Very simple to use, and obviously it's not a built-in function, so you have to install this whole script on your calculator, and I will show you how to do that. It's very simple. It takes like 2 minutes to do that. Installing it is very simple. First you go to this GitHub repository. The link is in the description. You open this simplex.tns file, and then you go to download raw file. And when it's in your downloads or wherever you have downloaded it, you also have to download student software, TI Nspire student software. If you have already installed it, good. But if not, look for Mac if you have a Mac, and Windows if you have a Windows. Download it, install it, and then this is like how it usually looks like, right? And then go to look for also, before you can use it, you also have to connect the calculator physically with the software using the USB cable. The cable that you used for charging the calculator is the same cable you have to connect with your PC. It will show up over here in connected handhelds. Basically open it, go to my library, and then so over here, let's say you have downloaded it, so you just simply drag it to the my library folder, right? And then and that's all it takes to install it, and it's installed. Okay, so after installing, you have two methods or two ways to actually use the function. First is very simple. You go to browse, and where you have downloaded it in my library folder, look for the simplex file, double click it, press menu, check syntax and store, and then run. And simply, because over here it's already described, but you have to like make these C, A and B, define it first, and simply press enter, and you will get your solution, right? And that's it, right? And that's the first method. The second method is little difficult, not difficult, but it's like recommended, but it has like more steps to it. First you press new document, add calculator, and then first you have to refresh the libraries, and then refresh the libraries and create a library shortcut. Basically the name of the file in this mylib folder, right? Simplex, and what do you want to call it? Let's say something simple, let's say S, right? It's like how you will access it. Press enter, and then every time you press S dot, it will show simplex already, and then you can say C, A, B, and it will say invalid data type because you have not described C, A and B over here, so you have to do that in this new file. You have to describe C, and then A, and then B, and now you can just do simplex C, A, B. I'll give you the exact values. It's very simple, and this is like a much recommended method because you can have multiple library shortcuts in like one file. So right now it's just simplex, but you can have like bisection method, Simpson method, all kinds of iterative methods, all kinds of computational methods, and then you can like save it as let's say iterative methods, and you can access it anytime you want from where you left it off, right? And that's it. And then also check out my GitHub repo. It has all the different kind of functions which you can use for studying for your exams or homework or anything. That's it. Thank you.